So if we look right here, this side is the same. Maybe I can give you guys a better spot on the top. Then you guys can see what I am planning. So on the other side it was different, but if we're gonna look this side, it's gonna be much easier. Now, I have to make sure that I don't fall in the pit. So we can see, guys, that there is that hole, right? Keep looking. Aha, that's gonna be our cold air intake. Yeah, you guys see it right, huh? That's a hot side. Which means we have to do things different. But I have maybe found a way which is the best cold air intake possible. Now it's gonna be a large piping. But what I'm gonna do here, this is gonna be, it's gonna get rid all. We're not gonna get the cold air intake going down straight to the right and going out here, no. Because it's blocked by that plate over here. And, well, hey, this is what it is. We don't do anything about it, but I'm gonna get rid of this, going back, so moving further away from the heat component over there, the header, going to the back, completely down, like over the intake itself, intake manifold, coming out somewhere here. So I have to, well, relocate the charcoal canister, of charcoal valve, I mean. And hey, I mean, it's very simple in this case. So hey, that's not that big of a deal, right? So very easy to replace because recently I got it off. Anyways, replacing the or relocating the charcoal valve and making sure that it's going this way. Now, the most trickiest parts, I guess, is going to be over here. And then we're going to get down there. So probably 2 times 45 degrees. It's going to be a job. That's true. But yeah, here is not too much heat. This is the only place, this piping over here from cylinder number 1 is the only that is causing lots of heat. Really lots of heat. Probably very extreme in the, well, in the worst case. But if we are not going to do that, we're going to make our ways a bit easier, but then we have to heat wrap my header, which I actually would not like to, but if, then this is still gonna get rid, only the open and sport air filter stays. The rubber hose is gonna get vanished. We are gonna take the coupler, 45 millimeters to 76, 90 degree probably, or 2 times 45 because of the battery. He's quite large, if you say so, even for this tiny engine bay. Then we're gonna go just like 90, 90, and then again 90 down. Then we are there. But then we still need to get a small size of 90 millimeters to face over here to get its best air possible. And seems like something smashed on here. Oh, what's that? That's what that's all about. Huh. Right. Give me a sec. You got solutions for that. This will do it. All right. Making sure that this is right again. Yeah, that's a little bit better already. Don't know what's happening over there, but we've done it. Speaking about the air intake, guys, I might walk a huge risk. What I am planning, because there is no aftermarket ITB setup or aluminum intake manifold available on the car, which makes our horsepower gain possibilities a little bit less. But this is what it is. So I'm gonna show you guys what I have planned, and this pretty crazy. Then also I increase the induction sound of the car. So I'm gonna show you. So as you guys can see, we have 3 intake pipes. 3. Number 1 is the left, number 3 is the right. So these are plastic, and as you guys can see, it goes in a corner.